Hello everybody, this is Michael from MDO Video. Show y'all how to remove a fitting from PEX pipe. Now this fitting is got this ring, this copper ring that is crimped on, and there's a few different ways you can remove it, but I've got a tool here that'll take it off. First thing we got to do here is we'll get a tubing cutter and cut the pipe. Right about there. And then I gotta get a screwdriver. Crap. Yeah, I gotta get that, and I gotta tighten the blade to the pipe cutter. Okay. Okay, if I go that way. Yeah, if I go that way, I'll be okay. Okay, good. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to cut the pipe here with this tubing cutter. And I do make a cutter that's made for cutting plastic pipe, but what I've got doesn't work right now, so you can kind of tell when it's the blade's coming out again. That should broke right off. Okay. Now what we got to do is we got to get that ring off of there. Okay, now, and that's where this tool comes in. Cut it. Yeah, see, it came off. Yeah, brand new fitting. Well, you can still reuse the fittings. And just keep using them over and over and over again, until they get damaged. But that's how to remove the fitting from the pipe.